I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite go-to breakfasts, Get Your Veggie Scramble. It's quick, it's easy, it's high in protein and fiber, so it keeps you going throughout the whole day, filled with energy. All you'll need are some eggs, spinach, a little salsa, green onions, tomatoes, and a bit of Swiss cheese. Just a touch. Okay, all you do is begin using 4 egg whites. I love egg whites. You know why? Because each of them is filled with protein. In the 4, you get almost 15 grams of protein. Isn't that great? We all need protein every day. So good for you. That's it. Oops, now I have to do is scoop it out. Get your protein going. All right. And I add a little water to it because it's a scramble and it will give it a little more fluff. That's right. Make it really fluffy. So whisk it up. That's it. Make sure your pan is getting on about medium heat. And then I use a little bit of spray for cooking spray. And then place it all in your pan. And then put on. There it is. And now I add all my veggies. So begin with a little bit of spinach. Spinach is so great for you. Yes, Popeye knew what he was talking about. Has lots of vitamin B's. It's got vitamin K, iron. So I fill it up with spinach. It's so good for you. Then I chop a little bit of green onions. Yes, I love green onions. And onions are anti-inflammatory. So add those to it. And then I chop up a little bit of tomatoes. Tomatoes have lycopene, so important for us. Yes, it's great for your eyes. And then just mix it in a little, get it going. I like to do a scramble because it's quick and easy. And you can't believe I put lots of spinach in, but it just sautés down to hardly anything. So you do want to overdo the spinach. That's it, great. And while it's cooking, I do a touch of salt and pepper, a little bit of salt, yes, and a little bit of pepper. Great. This has protein as well as fiber. That's the key. That's so important for us for a great day to have all the vitamins your body needs to get you going in the morning. And it's quick and easy. It's done in 5 minutes. It's that easy to eat healthy. It's about nourishing your body. It's about good health. Let's eat healthy together. I've got great recipes on my website in my 10-week plan that are all lean, green, and clean. So that they're healthy and delicious. And then towards the end, I just put a little touch of the Swiss cheese. Just a little touch. It's so good. I let that melt a little more. And of course, cheese has great protein, but also calcium. Great for our bones, for all of us women. Thinking about every food you eat that has high nutrients, nutrient-based foods, that's what I'm into. Challenge yourself every day with me to eat healthy together. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Try not to skip meals. That way it keeps your energy level up and you feel good. You want to feel good. Okay. Now, get your plate and I'll plate it. That's it. Turn it off. And with the tomatoes, the egg whites, and the spinach, you've got a wonderful dish. And then I top it off with some salsa. Beautiful salsa. Yes, I love my salsa. It's kind of like a Huevos Rancheros light meal. And then I put a little more of my green onions to top it off. And I tell you, it is so good for you. Get your Veggie Scramble. It's so delicious. You will enjoy it. So let's eat healthy together.